Hello, Curtis Simplified here, and today we are going to learn how to use videos in HTML. So let's get started. So first of all, we need the video tag, and then we need to add the source. So src means source, and then equals. So we're setting the source of the video to its name, which is video.mkv. And then after that, we're going to add the width and the height. So width will equal 500 pixels, and the height will equal 250 pixels. After that, we want to add controls. So what controls does is it lets you pause and play the video. And then after that, we need a closing video tag. And then bam, we have our new customly made video. Let me play it for you. Hello, Coder Simplified here, and today we are going to learn how to use images. So first of all, we want to add our body tags, opening and closing. And in between them, we want to add our image tag. And the image tag is img. And then let's add our closing one as well. And in the first one, we want to add src, which means source, and then equals. And after that, we want to put our double quotes. So what we put in the double quotes is the source of the image. In my case, it is image_1.jpg. Then as you see, it will display the image at full size. But if you want to resize the image, in the first tag, or the opening tag, you put in width equals, and then double quotes, and then however big you want the image. For me, I'm going to do 250. And then same with the height. And as you see, it will resize the image for me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. And that's it. Look at that. We have our new customly sized video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.